Right, for this question, we know that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces, and we need to work out the number of ounces in 3 pounds. Now, if you go to do this, you probably would look at what 1 pound weigh. You know, it weighs 16 ounces. Now, to work out the number of ounces in 3 pounds. Now, what you look at is, you know, that 1 pound is 16 pounds, and if you want to look it from 1 pound to 3 pound, you notice that you multiply by 3, and that will also mean right here you also multiply by 3. Okay, and of course, when you do that, 16 times 3, that will be 48 ounces. So 3 pounds will weigh 48 ounces. And then there's this question here, question A. Write 3 over 2 as a mixed number. Well, I think that's going to be really easy. How many times can 2 divide into 3? I think to go 1 time, and of course there will be a remainder, and that will be 1 as a remainder, and then divided by the denominator, which is 2. Okay, so the answer is 1 whole and 1/2. And then question B. Work out 1/5 plus 1/5. Now, if you understand the rules of adding fraction, you understand that the bottom fractions are the same. So what you do, you just take one of the bottom fraction, okay? And then you add up the numerator. So you add 1 plus 1, and of course you get 2 over 5. So that is the right answer. So 1/5 plus 1/5 will give you 2/5. And then we come to the very last question, which is question C. Write down all the factors of 20. Now, there are different ways that you probably may want to do this, but I want to do it in a simple way. All the numbers that can divide into 20 are the factors of 20 completely, okay? So you might want to take 1 and 20, yeah? And you might want to take 2 and 10, because 2 can divide 20 10 times. And I think there is one pair of numbers, which is definitely going to be 4 and 5. Yeah, 4 can divide 20 5 times, so 5 divided 20 4 times. So these are all the factors of 20. Okay, so I think this has made it a lot easier. And of course, if you have any question, please don't fail to put it in the comment section, or you might want to reply me via my email. Thank you, and God bless you.